Namaskar, today I am going to explain a new topic, relative velocity. Relative velocity is defined as the time rate of change of relative position of one object with respect to another. Relative velocity is represented by VAB vector. It is the relative velocity of object A with respect to B. It is represented by VA vector minus VB vector. Here we have two cases regarding relative velocity. Case 1. When two objects are moving in same direction. Suppose two objects, object A and another object is B. Object A is moving with velocity VA and object B is moving with velocity VB. So the relative velocity formula is VAB vector. It is equal to VA vector minus VB vector. Both objects are moving in same direction. So the angle between two objects, the angle between velocities is 0 degree. So we can write VAB is equal to VA minus VB. Next, case 2. When two objects are moving in opposite direction. Suppose object A is moving with velocity VA and object B is moving with velocity VB in opposite direction. So the formula for relative velocity is VAB vector is equal to VA vector minus VB vector. Both are moving in opposite directions, so we can write VAB is equal to VA minus VB. So the relative velocity VAB is equal to VA plus VB. It means when two objects are moving in opposite direction, their velocities are added. And when two objects are moving in same direction, their velocities are subtracted. Now, to understand the concept of relative velocity, I am going to explain two problems. Problem number 1. When two bodies move uniformly towards each other, the distance between them decreases by 6 meters per second. If both bodies move in the same direction with their same speed, the distance between them increases by 4 meters per second. What are the speeds of the two bodies? Suppose two bodies A and B. They have velocities VA and VB. When they are moving in opposite direction, we know that when the objects are moving in opposite direction, their velocities are added. So the distance decreases by 6 meters per second. So we can write VA plus VB, it is equal to 6 meters per second. Second case is both are moving in same direction. Suppose this is A and this is B. Both are moving in same direction. So according to rule, when both are moving in same direction, their velocities are subtracted. It means VA minus VB. It is 4 meter per second. So it is equal to 4 meter per second. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Add equation 1 plus 2. So VB is subtracted. So we will get 2VA is equal to 10 meter per second. So the VA answer is 5 meter per second. Put this value in equation number 2. So 1 minus its value is, put the value is 5 minus VB, it is equal to 4. So the answer is VB is equal to 1 meter per second. Now the next problem is a train of 150 meter length is going towards north direction at a speed of 10 meter per second. A parrot flies at a speed of 5 meter per second towards south direction parallel to the railway track. Find the time taken by the parrot to cross the train. The length of the train is given. The length of the train is given 150 meter and the velocity of train is given, it is 10 meter per second. and a parrot is flies at a speed of 5 meter per second. So the speed of parrot is Vp is equal to 5 meter per second. Both are moving in opposite direction. So when the objects are moving in opposite direction, their velocities are added. So the velocity of parrot with respect to train, we can write the formula Vp vector minus V train vector. The velocity of parrot is 5 meter and velocity of train it is 10 meter per second, so minus 10. Then you will get velocity of parrot with respect to train is 15 meter per second. Minus minus is plus, 15 meter per second. Now the time taken by the parrot to cross the train. So the relative distance it is given as 150 meter and relative velocity is 15 meter per second. So the time taken by the parrot to cross the train it is equal to 10 seconds. This is the final answer. Thank you.